My name is Steven Archambault, and I'm an assistant professor in the Agricultural Business and Agricultural Economics department. And I'm also a faculty member in the doctoral program of economic development. I have a strong background in international development, and so a lot of my work has been in developing countries. A lot of my research is focused on that. Food security is one area that I spend a lot of time on, and I also do work related to environmental issues and natural resources and how those interact with economic development. I've lived in Uganda, and I've also worked in the South Pacific and the Federated States of Micronesia, where I worked with marine biology issues and coral reef conservation issues. I think it's really important to bring the real-life experience into the classroom, especially for this type of program where we want students to be out in the world doing applied work. So I try to talk about my experiences in relation to the development theory that we discuss and how those theories can be put into practice in the real world. I work with students on various levels, so one class project that I had students do ended up being a sort of a consulting project for the Downtown Economic Development Organization here in Las Cruces. And so they were looking for guidance on how to hand out small loans to businesses in the area, and we were able to help them figure out what to do with a revolving loan fund to make that more successful. Towards the end of the doctoral program, we require our students to complete an internship with professional organizations that are doing economic development work here in the region or elsewhere. These students are providing hands-on and professional guidance to these organizations to help them meet their objectives. Our professors in the program have contacts in many of the economic development agencies around New Mexico, and that actually gives our students a very positive experience because they can see what's happening in these different agencies, from finance organizations to community development organizations. We have a close relationship with many of those, and that allows us to place students in internships and help them find partners for doing projects.